Let's check out some sites for remote and international work online. The first one is weworkremotely.com. As you can see, it is trusted by the world's leading companies such as Google, Amazon, and so on. They have tabs on top for you to check out. When you scroll down, you can see all the jobs that have been posted. You can notice that there are a lot of jobs available in many categories. We have vacancies for freelance writer, remote helpdesk technician, customer service reps, remote tech AI prompt engineering, independent UX and UI designers, and so on. The postings are quite recent, as you can see. Let's scroll a bit more to see the varieties of jobs being posted. When we click on job seekers, we find options for us. There is the advanced job search, top trending remote jobs, and more. Let's click the top trending remote jobs. This is what we saw earlier, and I just wanted to show you how to find that page. They also categorize the job posting with dates as well as featured. So this makes it easy to search. As you can see, there are a variety of jobs to suit people of different work experiences. There is remote IT helpdesk technician, freelance writers, customer service reps, remote AI prompt engineering, senior designer, online teacher, lead Android or iPhone engineer, technical support agent, guest services agent, technical support, and so on. The next site is trulyremote.co. As you can see, it says, work remotely from anywhere. They have different categories that you can choose to search for jobs. They have Latin America, work from anywhere in the world, and so on. You can even narrow your search to worldwide. As you can see, there are many jobs here too. You can find jobs such as Prima Games contributing writer, VP of Finance, user support engineer, WordPress developer, and more. Let's just scroll and look at some of the jobs posted. Here's an interesting one, which is YouTube marketing lead, and it's for anywhere in the world. There's another one, YouTube video creator for language teaching videos. Let's check it out. It gives you the requirements for you to see if it's something you would be able to do. It even tells you why it may not be suitable for you. This helps in choosing the kind of jobs you might enjoy doing. It gives some background about the company as well. For this job, it is to help people learn different languages from Spanish, English, French, Japanese, and so on. It also gives you examples of what other teachers have scripted for the videos to make it more interesting for someone to learn the language. Let's check out this one. As you can see, they have used some small parts of the music video by Miley Cyrus to teach prepositions in English. This teacher has chosen the word till and has focused on that to teach the correct way of the preposition, until. This is an interesting way to teach and for students to learn a language. The next site is remote.co. As you can see, there are many ways to filter your search. And in this example, the filter is on freelance. Scrolling down, we can see the many variety of jobs that have been posted. It also lets you know when it was posted to make it easier for applicants. They have remote nurse practitioner, finance experts, oncology copywriter, health editors, and so much more. Let's now filter by international. There are a lot of jobs being posted. When you go to the top, you also have the tabs to check out info about remote jobs, remote companies. I hope you find these sites helpful, and if you do, please share, like, and subscribe for more videos to help you find jobs, whether it's for freelance or remote work. Thank you for watching.